San Diego housing market is finally giving buyers a little more breathing room, but only if you know where to look. Hey, it's Greg Kuchan. Here's your quick San Diego market update for the August closings and what's happening across California, the US, so you can make a confident plan this fall. Locally, detached homes prices are holding, and the median sale price is $1,075,000, while condos, townhomes, they're essentially flat around $675,000. Inventory is up, especially in attached homes, and days on the market stretched out about 35 to 40 days. And sellers are getting about 96 to 97% of their original list price to the sold price. So pricing really matters right now. Statewide, data shows that sales and prices have eased off a bit, and inventory is definitely higher, and the typical time is ticking up. So it's slowly rebalancing, and nationally the closings improved, and the listing data shows inventory is about 21% up year over year nationwide, because those homes are taking longer to sell. So, translation, buyers have more options, but the best homes still move when they're priced correctly. Now, mortgage rates, they've dipped, and the Fed fund rate has come down, which didn't really affect the interest rates as much as people were hoping. The rates came down before the federal meeting. That's why this video is actually a little bit later than they normally are. But they're floating around. The 30-year fix is floating around 6.3% and should stay pretty level for the rest of the year, unless we have some weird bad economic data that comes out in the next couple of meetings that the Fed is going to meet at. So they're just trimming their ends, which affects the credit card rates, and it's helping around the edges, but it's not really changing the affordability for homes. So if you're stretching and considering attached homes, they're probably the most attainable. But if you're thinking of selling, let's price the home for the most recent comps, maximizing your first 2 weeks on the market, because that's when the most activity is happening. So at the end of the day, if you're looking to do something in the next 6 months to a year, reach out to me. Let's build you a custom plan. Let's get you into your dream home by 2026. Greg Kuchan, I'm here to help.